This is the UniFi Express, an adorable little compact, teeny tiny, fully fledged, well, mostly, Ubiquiti gateway. You can power an entire network with this thing. Let's get it unboxed. Okay, first up in the box, you have the Express itself. Classic Ubiquiti Apple-y style packaging. Peel that off like so, get rid of that. On the front, you've got a teeny tiny little screen. It's not a touch screen, but it does display your activity, network statistics, etc. On the sides, there's nothing. And then on the back, you've got your USB-C port, your WAN input, and Ethernet port. Continuing in the box here, you have your traditional Ubiquiti setup guides, as well as a USB-C Ubiquiti branded power brick. Always nice to see these. This is also pretty tiny. And one last thing in the box here is a compact Ubiquiti, what's that, 1 foot cable, Ethernet cable. And that's it, nothing else in the box there. So let's go back to this guy here. This has a built-in Wi-Fi 6 access point. It can handle up to 1,500 square feet of Wi-Fi coverage. It can handle over 50 connected Wi-Fi devices. It has a 1 gigabit RJ45 WAN port, a 1 gigabit Ethernet RJ45 LAN port to extend the network. The LCM status display on the front is 0.96 inches. You are able to manage up to 4 additional UniFi network devices when this is operated as a gateway. Now, this will not run Protect, it will not run Access, it will not run any of the other apps. It will only run network. But some of the unique features of this is you're able to have this as your base station and then have another Express further away. You can mesh connect them together, and then you can wire in another device down the line and use that to extend your network instead of doing a full wired setup. Now, of course, full wired is always going to be best, but sometimes you just don't have the ability to do that. I bought this for a client as I'm setting them up with one of these and a hard line into their garage studio where they have a jack on the wall, which we're going to replace with the U6 in wall. Click here for that unboxing and here for the full video of that install. Subscribe for full reviews of this and more.